Hi. What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan what?
Williams.
Wims? Williams. What's your middle name, Dylan?
Nate.
Nate? Nathan, huh?
Nathan.
Cool. Hi. Ashton, don't touch the camera.
I like you.
Yeah, I like you too.
You're cute.
No, you're cute.
I like your hair.
You're a stinker. Should we look at Drayden?
Going to look at. I love Mom and Dad and
Ashton,
Dylan.
don't touch. And Ashton?
And Ashton.
Who are you?
Drayden.
Drayden what?
Williams.
Williams.
Mom, I want to look at mine.
Who is that stinker? What's your name? Num? You got a silly name. Are you stinky?
No.
Oh, you're gonna jump on the bed? Okay, bye-bye, Num.
Let's